My name is Olga, and today I want to show you nature attraction we made during biopower bike trips, and these are chalk pits, or better say lakes, which remained after the extraction of chalk that are located in Belarus, Grodno region. A chalk itself appeared here about 200,000 years ago, when the mighty glacier extracted it from the seabed. The glacier melted and the chalk remained, covered with sand and silt. Fragments reached 2 kilometers in length and a few tens of meters in thickness. Then there appeared a company that eventually became a large cement plant and started intensive development of chalk deposits as a raw material. Huge vehicles loaded with chalk now constantly go from the pits to the plant. So from deep pits emerged lakes that now tempt so many tourists. The water in these lakes gain on a beautiful color from azure to bright turquoise, even emerald. The beauty is completed by high steep banks covered with young trees and huge boulders and pieces of silicon, most similar to meteorites. In general, it looks fantastic and unreal. We were lucky to come across such a beauty and are now happy to share it with you. Bye!